Welcome back to Car Explorer. Get ready to experience the future of travel as we reveal the top 3 futuristic motorhomes of 2026. Machines that combine luxury, innovation, and adventure. Number 1 is the Ford Motorhome 2026, a masterpiece that perfectly blends American power, futuristic design, and home-like comfort. Ford has truly redefined what a motorhome can be, offering a luxury experience that feels both bold and smart for travelers who crave performance and convenience on the go. The first thing that catches your attention is the exterior design. The 2026 Ford Motorhome looks stunning from every angle. Sleek aerodynamic lines, a massive chrome front grille with illuminated Ford badging, and dynamic LED matrix headlights that give it a commanding presence at night. The large panoramic windshield offers a wide field of view, while the sculpted sidebody features smooth curves that reduce drag for better fuel efficiency. The 22-inch alloy wheels with all-terrain tires not only enhance its appearance, but also ensure stability on highways and off-road tracks. The rear section features a modern taillight design with LED strips that connect across the entire width, making it look futuristic and sophisticated. Moving inside, the Ford Motorhome 2026 feels like stepping into a 5-star hotel on wheels. The cabin is designed with premium materials, soft-touch leather, polished wood trims, and ambient lighting that can be adjusted to suit your mood. The driver's cockpit is equipped with a 15-inch fully digital instrument cluster and a 14-inch infotainment touchscreen with Ford's latest Sync 5 system. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in Alexa voice control. The ergonomic captain chairs are fully adjustable, heated and ventilated, providing supreme comfort for long drives. The steering wheel comes with touch-sensitive controls, and there's also a 360-degree camera system to make parking such a large vehicle effortless. The living area inside the motorhome is incredibly spacious and intelligently designed. It features a convertible sofa set that transforms into a double bed, a smart foldable dining table, and a large TV with surround sound. The kitchen area is fully equipped with a smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave oven, and even a compact dishwasher, all controlled via touch panel. The Ford designers have focused on energy efficiency and space optimization, giving travelers all the amenities of a modern home. The bathroom area includes a standing shower with temperature control, a touchless toilet, and premium fittings. The rear bedroom comes with a queen-size bed, soft ambient lighting, and large windows that bring in natural light during the day. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Ford Motorhome doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, it is powered by a hybrid V6 engine paired with an advanced electric motor, delivering a combined power of around 450 horsepower. This hybrid setup ensures strong acceleration while maintaining fuel efficiency, perfect for long-distance journeys. The intelligent all-wheel drive system provides excellent grip on all surfaces, whether you're driving through city streets, highways, or mountainous terrain. Number 2 is the Mercedes-Benz Motorhome 2026, a true symbol of luxury, innovation, and performance on wheels. Welcome back to the Car Explorer. This motorhome represents the perfect harmony between cutting-edge technology and timeless German engineering, offering travelers an experience that's as elegant as it is powerful. Mercedes-Benz has taken the idea of a mobile home to an entirely new level, turning every journey into a first-class adventure. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome looks futuristic and graceful. The front fascia is dominated by the iconic illuminated 3-pointed star, embedded in a wide digital grille that changes color based on driving mode. Sleek LED matrix headlights with adaptive beam technology add both style and function, automatically adjusting brightness for road conditions. The body features smooth aerodynamic contours that improve efficiency and reduce wind resistance, while chrome accents on the sides give it a premium touch. The flush-fitting windows, smart door handles, and massive 23-inch alloy wheels give it a futuristic SUV-like presence. At the rear, a full-width LED strip seamlessly connects the taillights, completing the look with pure modern elegance. Step inside, and the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome instantly feels like a luxury suite. Every inch of the interior reflects comfort and craftsmanship. High-quality Napa leather seats, customizable ambient lighting with 64 color options, and a panoramic glass roof that floods the cabin with light create an atmosphere of calm and sophistication. The front cabin is driver-focused, featuring a 17-inch curved OLED digital display that merges the instrument cluster and infotainment into one sleek unit. Powered by the latest MBUX hyperscreen system, it offers voice commands, gesture control, and AI-based personalization. The steering wheel is wrapped in soft leather and integrates haptic touch buttons, while the 3D surround view camera makes maneuvering this large vehicle effortless. The living area inside the Mercedes Motorhome is designed to make you feel at home anywhere you go. The spacious lounge includes modular seats that can transform into a bed, a retractable table, and an advanced entertainment setup with a 55-inch smart TV and Dolby Atmos sound system. The kitchen area comes equipped with all the modern essentials: an induction stove, convection microwave, refrigerator, and even a built-in coffee machine. Everything operates through a central smart panel or the Mercedes app, allowing you to control lighting, temperature, and appliances with ease. The bathroom area includes a rainfall shower, a heated mirror, and a touchless toilet, features rarely found in motorhomes. Number 3 is the BMW Motorhome 2026, a futuristic masterpiece that combines German engineering with ultimate travel luxury. BMW has taken the concept of a motorhome to a whole new level, crafting something that feels more like a 5-star hotel on wheels than a traditional camper. This model is built for those who demand sophistication, technology, and comfort while exploring the open road. Starting with the exterior, the BMW Motorhome 2026 is pure elegance and innovation. The front design carries the signature BMW kidney grille, now illuminated with sleek LED strips that merge seamlessly into adaptive laser headlights. The body has a smooth aerodynamic shape designed to minimize drag and improve efficiency. Its futuristic silhouette is highlighted by sculpted lines, chrome accents, and retractable side steps that appear automatically when the doors open. The panoramic roof stretches almost the entire length of the vehicle, letting natural light flood the cabin while offering a stunning view of the sky. Large 22-inch alloy wheels and an adjustable air suspension give it both a bold stance and superior comfort on any terrain. The rear features a modern tailgate design with integrated taillights that wrap around the edges, giving it a sporty yet refined look. Moving inside, the interior is where BMW truly showcases its luxury DNA. As soon as you step in, you're greeted by an atmosphere of pure comfort and high-end craftsmanship. The cabin is lined with sustainable leather, real wood trims, and ambient LED lighting that can be customized in multiple colors. The cockpit is a blend of futuristic design and intuitive technology. You get a curved dual display setup powered by BMW's latest iDrive 9 system, offering seamless control over navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings through voice, touch, or gesture commands. The seating area transforms easily from a lounge setup to a full living room. The front seats swivel 180 degrees, creating a comfortable social space. The rear area features a smart foldable bed, a compact dining area, and even a built-in kitchenette with a refrigerator, induction cooktop, and microwave. Everything is designed to maximize space and comfort. The smart glass windows can tint automatically for privacy or to reduce sunlight, while the air conditioning adjusts according to cabin temperature and number of passengers. When it comes to performance, the BMW Motorhome 2026 delivers power and efficiency in perfect harmony. It's equipped with an all-electric powertrain based on BMW's next-gen eDrive technology. The dual-motor setup produces around 700 horsepower, allowing this massive vehicle to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.5 seconds. Impressive for a motorhome of its size. The driving range is approximately 600 kilometers on a single charge, thanks to its advanced solid-state battery technology. The motorhome also supports ultra-fast charging, giving you 80% power in under 30 minutes. Additionally, the adaptive air suspension and all-wheel drive system ensure stability, smooth handling, and control even on rough terrain. BMW's autonomous driving mode takes convenience to the next level. T-Bikes for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe out. CHB and Nell Car Xplorer.